I will be unboxing Evil Twin items that my husband purchased for me for Christmas, but it arrived late. So, if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic Evil Twin items, like today, Evil Twin, I DIY, I compare bags and do review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. Let's get started. It is so huge. My husband was sweet enough to purchase me a whole bunch of stuff. So let's take this to the living room. Ta-da! So we are in the living room and finding sunlight and light in the house. So, and there's a Christmas tree just blocking the sun. So whatever, let's just open this up. Yes, folks, got a bunch of Gucci. Before we start with the bag, I don't even know what I'm looking at anymore. First item. Ooh, I got two of these. Includes ribbon. Can you even see that? It's very faint Gucci. Paperwork. And receipts. Now this is an old style, but I've been eyeing this for like a year and a half and I just needed to buy it. So I purchased the Gucci belt, bought two of them. So here is the beautiful crystal butterfly. Here's the back. Just the Gucci logo here. And looks really good. I'm so happy about it. It does have the Gucci logo there. And the end of the belt. And includes this little tag. Let's put her on. This is why we're black. I didn't make it bigger, but I probably should. Invest in a better camera, but here it is. Oh my God, so adorable. Okay, this light is killing me. And guess who stopped by? He was locked out on the porch. He's gotten really fuzzy because it's winter time, so what do you think, boy? What do you think of these belts? So the next belt is the same belt, different color. I purposely filming this like right by the window because it sparkles a lot. You can see that. It's really, really sparkly. Tawi, he was locked out outside for 30 minutes or I think an hour and he didn't leave the porch. What a good cat. He's an indoor cat. He's too fluffy. What happened? Anyway, it's very sparkly. Can't believe this is an Evil Twin. And this one is the red one. Except, okay. I got nervous for a second. I thought the Gucci was upside down, but thank God it isn't. It's the same quality. It's adjustable. I got the smallest size. There's the Gucci insignia. There's the Gucci insignia there. And like this, but it is cute. I'm so glad they make these as Evil Twins because I've been wanting to buy these. So next up, this aside, is this cute box. And let's see if Atari likes it. Towie. So let's see what I purchased because I think some of you are going to enjoy this beautiful bag. So it comes in this box and it does have a dust bag. Just inside out. and there is a Gucci tag. And it's not like silky like the other one. Well, it is silky actually. But authentic Gucci dust bags are silky throughout. And here's what I purchased. Oh. So this is the Jackie bag. Okay, let's get a better look at this. It is gorgeous. It has the Gucci insignia right there. And the clasp, underneath the clasp. To unhinge it, you have to push the button. The closure looks like that. Just inside. And there's the Gucci tag. And there's another pocket here. Zipper enclosure there. All your paperwork and whatnot here. Really simple bag. Beautiful leather. It did get a little bit dented here during its shipping and packaging, but it's leather, so it should straighten out after a while. And it's really nice, squishy leather. It is very sturdy. This strap is really, really sturdy. Like I had a hard time putting this through, which I probably will not mess with anymore. I'll just leave it like that. That's the bag. So look at her strap. I'm assuming since that strap is really sturdy, this should be pretty sturdy too. You can feel it, really sturdy, strong leather strap. I am not sure how I put this on. I have a feeling now I know why this is like this. So if I want to do a crossbody, I mean right now it's just like this, but I guess if you want to crossbody it, you would have to, oh, I see. So if you want to crossbody it, undo this, put it this way, and then buckle it from the top. So I'm gonna try that out. So the crossbody is better. I think it's cute. However, it is more stylish if you just leave it with the shorter strap, but it's really cute even like this. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. And have a safe, happy new year. Bye. Closing it. Ooh, that's a nice closure. And it's so pretty. I've seen these in person, actually not in the store because the stores are like an hour and 30-minute wait.